Hi guys, my name is Kalpana Raipati. Welcome to my channel Raipati Tableau. So in my project, I got one requirement in recent times. So what is that requirement is every month I need to show second week sales details. For each and every month in the database, I need to show the second week sales details. So I thought this will be useful for some of you. That's why I'm making this video. So how to find every month second week sales here. Okay, let me open a new sheet. I am taking order date, month. Okay, here make it discrete. Now I am writing a calculated field. First, naming it as month first. Whatever. I am taking date trunk of month comma order date. Okay, what I am doing here is with this calculation I am finding the first of every month. So date trunk will give the starting of the month. Okay, starting date of the month. Okay, now right click and change the data type from date and time to date. Okay, now I am taking this exact date, making it as discrete. See, now you got for January 1st, or for all the months you got the first of each and every month. Now what I am doing is I am using the same calculation what I have done. Here I am taking week of the first of every month. Okay, week, when you take week of first of every month, what you will get here? The week number. Okay, so for in 1 year you will be having 52 weeks, right? 52 or 53. So when you take week of this calculation, you will get the week number related to that date. Okay, so first of every month means, for example, here for February 1st is lying in the 6th week. March 1st is lying in the 10th week. April, like this. If you go to December 1st, it is coming on the 49th week. Okay, now you got the first week details. Okay, now edit. What I am doing here is I am adding 1 to this. Okay, I am adding 1 to this. With this calculation till this point, you got first week details of your month, every month. Now I am adding 1 to this. Okay, now what is happening? Every month, now this is directed to every month second week. This value is giving. Now what you want? You want the sales of every month, second week of every month. For that, what you need to do is you need to write a calculation. What is that calculation? Sale second week. How to write that calculation? So you need to use a LODs, fixed order date sum of if so week of order date equal to the calculation what we have written here. Okay, then give me sales. And this is the calculation we are writing here, and close the. What we are doing here at the date level, if what the date you are having, if that date is equal to the calculated field what you have created, then get me the sales details. Okay, now sorry, your normal sales details and bring the calculated field what we have written here. See, now you are unable to see the exact final output of what you have done, right? So let me take the week number from the date field that we are having. Now make it discrete. Now you can understand, right? This is the normal sale details of each and every week of the week in the database. Okay, it is divided at the month level. Now see, for January 2011 you are getting second week sales details. Okay, February second week, March second week, like this you are getting every month second week sales details. So if you want to show only second week sales details here in the output, just take a simple calculation, only week. Now what to do? Week of order date equal to the calculated field what you have written here. Okay, now bring this to filter shelf and select only true. Click on apply. Now the view is showing only the second week sales details. I am taking off this sales from the view. Okay, I am taking off the calculation what we have taken here. Now see, this is the final requirement. Okay, so I thought this will be helpful for you, that's why I made this video. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, friends.